Hello everyone, welcome back. This is KPH Break, KPH Personal Rips, and we do blaster box over here. We have the Optic Donruss Football and the Optic Donruss Basketball. We're going to rip all of them. We've been ripping some baseball here as well, but today we're doing football and basketball. This is the first time I'm doing the football Optic Donruss, year 2022. And according here, there's 4 cards and there's 6 packs per box. What we're looking for is Rated Rookies Pink Parallel, which is exclusive to this blaster. And also look for blaster exclusive Blue Hyper Memorabilia cards. And also look for ultra rare downtown insert. Oh, there's a downtown here, so why not, right? Maybe we have a little luck. And over here, 7 inserts or prism parallels, 30 cards per box. This is, of course, Luka Doncic, which is our featured player. And what is the hunt over here? Here you go. Look for Rated Rookies Signature Purples, Blaster Exclusive Copper Glitter, and 2-tone prisms. There's 6 packs, and every pack there's 5 cards. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna start with football first. To tell you honestly, I don't know anything about football, so if I miss anything, please let me know to the comment box, so I can go and put them in a top loader. Pretty much I'm gonna just top load the one that I know and the one that's colored and numbered. If we have a signature, then we're lucky. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna start taking this out first. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box, so everything is lined up, ready to be ripped. Alright, and we'll move it to the right. We're gonna start ripping, everyone. Here you go. Wish me luck. What do you know about this product? Do you like this product? Did you like all the parallel inside? Let's see. Alright, we have a silver here. Pardon me if I butcher some of the names. Really, I'm not really familiar with football. So here we go. Amon Brown, Hunter Renfro, silver J.K. Dobbins of the Baltimore Ravens, and we have Rated Rookie of Brock Purdy. Now, to those of you, a lot of people have been searching for Brock Purdy's card. This is nothing special. This is just the base. So, yeah, let's go. Put the silver right there. Alright, let's continue on. I'm gonna top load them later, because we have 4 blaster cards. We want to do this fast. Alright, we have a pink. Is that a pink? Jordan Poyer of the Buffalo Bills, Christian Watson, Elite Series Rookies, and we have Pierre Strong, no number, pink, and we have Rated Rookie of Alontae Taylor. Alright, we're gonna put that on the side. The rookie, actually we'll separate the rookie and the veterans. This one will sleeve them really quick. Here we go, and also the pink one. So far, it's good to see some colors. Alright, another pink, Matt Ryan. We got Jonathan Allen, Rated Rookie Tariq Woolen, and Rated Rookie of Lewis Sign or Cine. So sorry, pardon me if I butchered the name. Not intentional. It's language barrier. Alright, here we go. I like when there's just 4 cards, there's not a lot of base cards, you know. Alright, we got Joe Burrow. This is Kevin Byard. Michael Thomas, silver, and Rated Rookie Isaiah Spiller. How many did we rip so far? We have 4. I think I did 4 already, right? Alright, this is the 5th one. Alright, another pink. Juju Schuster. Sorry, Juju Schuster. Or we just call him Juju. Anton Winfield. We got pink George Karlaftis, number 56 of Kansas. And we also have the rated rookie of Troy Anderson. So many pink. So many pink. Sometimes this package are too hard to open. Alright. Is that purple or pink? Another pink. We have Lamb. Tom Brady, the GOAT. Retro Series Joe Namath. Nice looking card. Look at that. And we have rated rookie of Bellis Jones of my Chicago Bears. Retro Series Joe Namath. Respect the legends. That's a cool looking card. We got a silver here. Dak Prescott, Sean Alexander, Purdy Brock rated rookie silver. Oh, a little bit off center. And we have Alec Pierce. We have to sleeve this one right away. And of course, the upload. There you go. Cool looking card. Let me clean up a little bit. How about some nice colored Brock Purdy? It's gonna happen. What do you think? Another pink. Kyle Pitts. Gridiron Kings rookie James Cook. We have Skylar Thompson rated rookie pink. And we have rated rookie Algier. Alright, let's do this. Nice color. The Dolphins. Miami Dolphins. Alright, let's do that. Down to 4 more packs. 4 more. Give me something good. Give me something. Another pink. Brown. Geno Smith. Rated rookie Danny Gray. Pink. And rated rookie Roger McCreary. Sorry, McCreary. It's raining pink. Oops. Alright, what do we have here? We got another silver. Jordan Poyer, Debo Samuel. We'll go to the back. Rated rookie of John Mechie. And what do we have here? Do we have a rookie? What is this? Rashad Bateman, silver. No number. Alright. Okay, Matt Ryan again. And who is this one? Rated rookie Kyle Hamilton. Look like it's like black and white. Baltimore Ravens. Why it's black and white? We have rated rookie of Daniel Bellinger. Pink. And Nakobe Dean, rated rookie. So much rookies. It's raining rookies. Alright, let's go. This guy, Kyle Thompson. silver. Alright, put that up there, and we'll come back to the other ones. Last pack from the NFL Optic Donruss. Here we go. They said save the best for the last. What is that? That's not a silver. Joe Burrow, Pat Piermet. Is this a rated rookie? What is this card? A diamond. That's a sick looking card. Diamond Cup. No number inserts. And we have rated rookie Jalen Tolbert. That's a sick diamond card. I don't know the player though. But it's a sick looking card. This is a short print or what? Let's go check the box. What is that? I gotta read that again because I can't find it. Maybe I'm skipping. There we go. That's our football. Anything good, please let me know to the comment box. And we're gonna start doing the basketball. We'll put this out of the way. Pink. And I think we're gonna leave the diamond just for the good luck. And there you go, the one on top. How about that? We'll leave those 4. That's for good luck. Alright, put that on the side. Here we go. Gonna do the basketball this time. We're gonna start getting everything out so we don't have to go back and forth. Another one right there. Okay. We're done with football. It's time for basketball. All right. 5 cards per pack. Let's go. Sorry. Okay. Jaden McDaniels, Al Horford, sorry, Kyle Kuzma, Javarius Smith rated rookie, and we have Splash of LaMelo Ball. We need some color here. No color. Chris Middleton, LaMelo Ball, Cole Anthony, rated rookie of Walker Kessler, nice. And we got Optic Illusions, Kawhi Leonard and Paul George. Are they still gonna be teammates next year? We got a silver Lou Dort, Steph Curry, Jason Preston, Jalen Williams, nice. And we got Marcus Smart. Alright, we got Alex Caruso, Kevin Huerter, Darren Fox, Chet Holmgren, base rookie, and My House of Damian Lillard. Cool. A lot of people are collecting My House. Another Marcus Smart, Lauri Markkanen, Chris Paul, Rated rookie of Andrew Nemard. And we have T minus DeMar DeRozan. So far, our first box, a lot of base. Cade Cunningham, Terrence Mann, I'm sorry. Why is that so bent? That's so bent. Look at that. T minus of Zach LaVine. And oh, we have a purple. Nikola Jokic. Purple. I don't know about the print line. Is that a print line? Man, they beat Miami Heat tonight. That's for sure. Nikola Jokic, we're going to be one of the all-time greats. Alright, let's go down to the second box. Box number 2. Any color? Nope. OG Anunoby. Fred VanVleet. Devontae Graham. Rated rookie of Ty Washington. T minus of Anthony Edwards, Ant-Man. Alright, another Denver. Aaron Gordon. Jaren Jackson. Tyrus Jones. Rated rookie AJ Griffith. And splash of Trae Young. Silver, Tyrese Maxey here. Grayson Allen. CJ McCollum. Vince Williams Jr. is a rated rookie. Nope. Jaylen Brown. Alright, no colored. Mike Conley. Bam Adebayo. Monty Morris. Rated rookie of Jaden Hardy. And we got Optical Illusions. Both Celtics, Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown. Down to 2 packs. That looks like my house. Alright, we got a Himudu Dilio, Josh Hart, Gordon Hayward, Paolo Banchero, and my house of Devin Booker. Pow, pow, pow. Last, I think the NFL is, for me, is much better. I think they beat the basketball. Alright, we got another purple. Is that a purple? It look like a purple rookie. Tobias Harris. Jalen Suggs. Let's go to the back first. Nice. My house. Keegan Murray. Is that a rookie card? Should be, right? He's a rookie. Alright, what do we have here? Boston. Malcolm Brogdon. Oh, I thought that was a rookie. My mistake. Malcolm Brogdon, purple. I thought it was a rookie. Yeah, it's, you know, like I said, it's a blaster box, so it's hit or miss. It's good to have Paolo Banchero rookie card. Also, we have a My House of Keegan Murray. That's pretty sweet. This guy is gonna be a good ball player. Put that in a sleeve and top load it. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you can see how much rewarding this box could be. And I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.